Man, I have always thought that to be one of the most beautiful pieces of scenery anywhere in the world. Right here at the Turkey Creek overlook on the Cherohala Skyway. You know, geologists say that all the mountains out here were formed by the underlying rock structures cramming together and raising up and so forth. Of course, the Cherokee tell a different story. They say that back at the beginning of time, a lot of animals were trapped on an island, and so they sent the great buzzard to fly around and find more areas of dry land. And the buzzard flew all over the skies, and every time it would try to land, the ground would be spongy and sort of mushy, and he would flap his wings. His mighty wings would carve out the formations you see out here. So no matter what your belief system is, just taking a look at that right there and the amazing look this morning, that just standing up here just beats anywhere I could possibly think of to be. Isn't that just beautiful? I'll get out of the picture and it'll be even more beautiful.